Hi there, doing good. So here I'm with an update and demo. So this is the basically automation where we are going to enter the names in 6 columns. And if the same name is present in any of the 4 columns, the first matching 4 number name will be appearing on these columns sequentially, one after the other. And for this, I'm using a code, few formulas in these columns. So from column S to X, we'll be using these columns, and we can hide these by clicking on this line or clicking the plus sign to see all of these columns if you want to see all of these. Right. So once these are the formulas and the code I'm using, and this is how you can use it. I'll show you the demo. So if I'm going to add a name James, you will see a pop-up on the right bottom so that you can see, okay, now you are ready for the new entry. This is how long you need to wait. Just once you see the pop, hit a new entry. So I'll press hit, and there is a pop-up. Yep, I'm ready for the new. So I'll hit another James on the next column, then hit James, ready for the new entry. And now there are even two hits, so I'll be entering a hit in here, and maybe I'll enter a James in this one. So as soon and you can see 4 games got completed and it's appearing in here. Now if I'll add a in any of the columns, and this will complete and you can see the hit in here. Now if I'll add another game in, this is not going to change the sequence. You will always see the games in here. For names, and once you see the pop-up, you can go for the next one. Like tool, tool, another tool. And for this one, you will be seeing a pop-up like this, and you are ready. Now you can, if you add another tool in any of the tabs, you can start counting. 1, 2, 3, and you can see within 3 seconds it appeared in here. And this is how you can work on all of these. So you just need to wait for the pop-up after each entry, and as soon as the pop-up is there, like if I hit Giant in here, you can see the pop-up. Once you see the pop-up, you can enter the new entry. And this is it. And let me show you. So these are the entries from all of the columns. From column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5, and column 6. These are the unique names which we'll be using to count the names. And then we'll be finding if the count is completed, the name will be shifted in here. And this is the chronological sequence of all the entries in here. So we can click this minus and we can hide this. And this code will be working on this sheet only, as I'm thinking that I'm thinking that I'm going to change that the name of the tab. So you need to always duplicate it so that these formulas can carry with this. So once if you are making a duplicate for the 11 July, you need to copy it like this so that these formulas will also be get copied with it. And you are making any changes in these 6 columns. All right. So on for example, if there are more than one tab, if there are more than one tab, you will be running on the script on this on the same one.